Hello guys, welcome to Mathematics Africa. So we have this question and I will give you the solution to this question in this video. So please, if it's the first time watching our video or visit our channel, do want to subscribe, like or smash your button in case what we have a new video like this. Okay, let's go how you can solve for this math question. So this was very simple. So the first thing to do here now, so let me write the question out. You have 5s is power 5 plus what? 5s equal to what? 0. So the first thing to do here now, since we have 5 is common to both sides here, so you can divide both sides by what? By 5. So when you divide both sides by 5, divide both sides by 5, divide both sides by 5. 5 comes 5 here, this comes 5 divided by this 0, we have what? 0. Okay, here we have our s is power what? 5 plus what? We have s equal to what? 0. So the next thing to do here now is to work the same thing also occur here because s is common here, s is also common here. So let's take it outside now. So when you say s is common in this place, we have our s outside here. S divided by this s to the power 5, we have s to the power what? 4 plus what? 1. Close bracket equal to what? 0. Okay. The next thing to do here now, let's increase this 0. It has to be equal to what? 0. So we are getting our first value of what? Of s. S is equal to what? 0. When you increase this s to be equal to what? 0. So s is equal to what? 0. So that's the first value of s we get. So our first value of s is equal to what? 0. So to get the second one now, equate this one to also is equal to what? This is 0. Then s is power 4 plus 1 equal to what? 0. So in this place now, if you still remember, this 4 can also be expressed. 4 can also be given as 2 is power what? As 2. Okay? 2 is power 2 gives 4. So now in this place now, we can say our s is power 2 multiplied by what? 2 equal to what? Plus 1 equal to what? 0. Okay, in this place now, the next thing to do now, since we have this second part, first part here, we have what? Our s is power what? This one is power 2. So this our 1 here, you can also want 1 is power 2 is also what? The same thing because 1 times 1 it gives what? This one. So let's express this one as what? As this. Okay, we have our s is power 2 and is power 2 plus what? 1 is power 2 is equal to what? 0. So it means that this one, this side and this side, they're always power of 2. So also here, this is a difference of what? Of 2 what? Square. So and this one can also be expressed as what? As s. If you want to factorize this one on, it can be expressed as s is power 2 plus 1 close brackets, and also what? S is power 2 minus 1 close brackets. So that is the factorization of what? Of this. Okay? And also what? Equal to what? 0. So now what next thing to do now? Let's equate this one to be equal to 0 and let's equate this one to be equal to what? 0. So when you equate this one to be equal to 0, we have what? As our s squared plus 1 is equal to what? 0. And second one, we have our s. Let's call this one equation what? Equation 1. So the second one we have s squared minus 1 is equal to what? 0. Equation 2. For this equation 1, let's get the value of what? Of s. So let's say from equation 1, we have our s. To get our value of s, let's take this plus 1 to the other side. That's your minus what? 1. That equal to what? Minus what? 1. Okay, now to get the value of this s now, you take what? The square root of what? Of both sides now. So when you take the square root of this side, take the square root of this side, we have what? Our square, this two count this our square root here. We have our s equal to, here we have a square root of the side plus or minus. Okay, you have something like this, square root of minus 1. That's what gives what? Imaginary what? Number. And square root of minus 1 is given us as what? As I. We have our I here because what is an imaginary what? Number, because carries what? Negative inside what? The square root. Okay, so in this place now, what we just do now, we get the value of s as equal to what? Plus or minus what? 1. So the second value of this s is also is plus 1 plus I as what? And minus what? I. So let's find what? For this equation 2 now, we have for equation 2. So let's get the value of what? Of our s. We have our s squared is equal to, take this on the other side, so the plus what? 1. We have a plus 1. So now, therefore, this place we have it as our s. To cancel this one, this square here, we take what? The square root of what? Of both sides. So when you take the square root of both sides, this square here counts the square root here. So our s what? Is equal to what? Square root of 1. And square root of 1 is equal to what? Is 1. So here now we have s is equal to what? Plus or minus what? 1. So now the value of s here, we have what? S is equal to 1 and s is equal to what? Minus 1. So the value of s is equal to what? 0, I minus I, 1 and minus what? 1. So that is how you solve for this mathematics. And if you understand and this part of this video, don't forget to subscribe, like or notification button in case what we have a new video like this. Thank you for watching. Okay, don't forget to share with your friend. Bye for now.